Okay, for another very common case, on a 4x4 Rubik cubes, on the last step, you will have two corner edges misplaced, or actually it is called last two corner parity. So, and you have to solve this one to complete the solving 4x4 Rubik cube. And actually for this, you need an algorithm to do to get rid of this common case. So we have a very easy formula for this. So again, my middle move will be like this, and my up move will be like this, and my move for double up will be the two first layer of the cube. So we are doing the formula to get rid of this one. So middle right twice, up twice, middle right twice, double up twice, middle right twice, and again double up twice. So now follow the exact steps that we do on solving a 4x4 Rubik cube. So I will continue to solve this one. And here you go. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos.